Welcome to What the Fun English. I'm Becky.
And I'm Josh. And today, we wake up very early.
Very early indeed. Today we explore the routine of a woman who loves the gym.
And lives with someone who loves sleeping.
Exactly. Same house, very different mornings. She wakes up around 5 in the morning.
5 again. That number follows us.
She likes it. She is an early bird, a person who likes to wake up very early.
I understand the words, not the lifestyle.
She wakes up quietly, drinks some water, and gets ready.
And while she does that,
her partner stays in bed.
Respectfully.
Yes, she doesn't mind. She knows this routine is hers. Before she leaves, she eats something small.
Please say coffee.
No coffee yet. She eats boiled eggs and sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes at 5 in the morning?
Food that gives energy.
I give my body coffee and hope.
She arrives at the gym around 5:30.
Is it busy?
No, it's calm. Always the same people.
The quiet gym club.
Some days she does cardio, exercises for the heart. Some days she trains legs or arms.
Does she love every workout?
She does not, but she goes anyway.
That sentence says a lot.
I wake up very early, around 5. I like this time because everything is quiet. My partner stays in bed. He likes to sleep more, and to be honest, I understand that. No problem. This routine is not for everyone. It's just mine. Before the gym, I eat something simple, like boiled eggs and sweet potatoes. It gives me energy. At the gym, I feel calm. Some days I do cardio, some days I train legs or arms. I don't love every workout, but I always feel good after. When I finish, I feel awake and focused. That's why I start my day like this.
After the gym, she goes home, takes a quick shower, and gets ready for work.
And at this time,
her partner is just waking up.
Different mornings, same bathroom.
Exactly. Then she works a normal day. Office, meetings, computer.
Does the gym help at work?
She says her body feels tired, but her mind feels calm.
My mind usually wakes up around 11.
At lunch, she chooses simple food again.
And him?
He eats normally, whatever the day brings.
2 rhythms, no drama.
Yes, they respect each other.
After work, I slow down, I eat dinner early and enjoy the quiet. My partner still has energy in the evening. He likes to watch something or stay up a little longer. I don't. I usually go to bed early because tomorrow starts early again. Yeah. I don't feel like I miss things. No. This routine helps me live better, and that's enough for me.
That's enough for me. I respect that.
See, she doesn't ask him to change.
And he doesn't stop her.
She loves the gym.
He loves the bed.
And they make it work.
Now, listener, think about your routine.
Do you wake up early?
Or do you stay in bed a little longer?
You can try one simple sentence like, my daily routine is, or my partner wakes up early, but I...
No judgment, just real life.
And keep listening to What the Fun English for more real routines and clear English.
Next time, we hear his side of the story.
See you next time.
Bye.